Hi everyone! Here are some of the highlights from the workshops we did this month here in LA. Take a look and see how much fun we had. Thank you to all the participants and thank you to all the amazing schools that welcomed us. Clarita Arte Flamenco, Studio Octan and Naranjita Flamenco. We are really grateful for your support. And for those who missed it, don't worry, we'll be back this summer. See you soon again.